In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration, also known as graphics acceleration, in Google Chrome. First, open your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner, click on the three dots, and from the menu, choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down on the left side and click System. Here you'll see two options. The first one is Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You can turn this on or off. It's completely up to you. Now, the main option we're focusing on is Use hardware acceleration when available. If you want Chrome to use your GPU to improve performance in videos, games, or animations, turn this on. If you prefer to reduce GPU usage and keep things lighter, turn it off. After changing the setting, make sure to click Relaunch, so Chrome can apply the changes. Once it restarts, you should notice smoother performance, especially if you use Chrome for heavy browsing or multimedia. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. If this quick tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.